Okay, so let's begin with vocabulary of insects. I have a question. What are some words of insects in English? Can you tell me some names of insects in English? Insects. For
Insecto.
example, yeah, insects. Do you know insects in English?
And
And, yes, that's one. What is another insect? Do you know other insect?
caterpillar.
Caterpillar, okay. What else?
Bug.
Worm.
Insects.
Worm.
The wolf is an insect.
No. Worm. Gusano.
Ah, worm, okay. Worm. Okay, worm. What else? What can be another insect? Okay, let's practice the vocabulary of insects by playing a game. Okay, I have prepared a game that I'm gonna show with you. Okay, look at this game. I have to play start here. And then this is a memory game, and it is related to vocabulary of insects. But as you play the games, you should take notes to remember the vocabulary, okay? So you play the games, take notes, and so that you can practice the vocabulary. For example,
Ant,
ant,
cockroach,
cockroach.
cockroach,
What is a cockroach? Do you know the cockroach?
Baracha.
Do you like cockroach? Are
No.
cockroach?
No, para nada.
No.
Para nada, fashion.
Cockroach. So that's the name in English, cockroach.
Serious.
Cockroach, okay?
butterfly,
Butterfly.
cockroach, cockroach,
Okay, that's cockroach. It's the first one. It's a beautiful insect.
Cockroach.
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 Okay? So I'm gonna send you this link for you to practice. I'm giving you 3 minutes to practice, please. Everyone, play the game individually. Practice. You have 2 minutes, okay? Open the link and play the game individually.
2 minutos.
Yeah, you have 2 minutes.
Yo terminé.
Terminé.
Okay, very good.
I feel.
Okay, so close the game, please. Close the game and please, can you tell me what are some insects that you remember from this vocabulary? Can you tell me some insects, please?
Pero.
Beetle, okay.
Ant.
Ant. What else?
Butterfly.
Dragonfly.
Butterfly.
Butterfly. The
And
bee.
mosquito. Mosquito.
Mosquito, yeah, mosquito. Do you like mosquito?
No. No.
Why not?
No, I don't. No. Yeah. And
You know, when mosquitoes bite,
and
when mosquitoes bite,
yes, yes,
they are very annoying. So they are aggressive. I don't like mosquitoes either. Okay, let's continue with the other exercise today. Now we're gonna do a listening practice. You have to listen and write the names of the insects that you can understand from the audio. So please take notes of the name of the insects that you can understand. Alanis, what are we gonna do now?
¿Se lo puedo decir en español?
Try to explain in English.
Ay,
Try to use
we're
English.
gonna write the name of insects. Ahí no sé cómo decir.
Yes, yeah, write the name of the insects from the audio, from the listening audio, okay? So please, this is a dictation practice. Carlos, your notebook? Carlos, where is your notebook? Your notebook.
una hoja, profe.
Okay, please take notes about the names of the insects. Ready? Okay, listen and write.
Dragonfly, wasps, bee, ladybugs, butterfly, grasshopper, mosquito, beetle, ant, fly.
Okay, you got the names or you want me to repeat the audio?
¿Puedo volver a repetirlo? ¿O no?
Sure.
Repite.
Okay, no problem. I can repeat the audio if you want me to, but you should say, please repeat the audio. Don't say repita, repita, repita. You can say repeat the audio. Can you say repeat the audio, please?
Repite audio.
Repeat the audio,
Thank,
please.
thank you, very good. So please listen and write.
Page 55.
Dragonfly, wasps, bee, ladybugs, butterfly, grasshopper, mosquito, beetle, ant, fly.
Okay,
Creo que me faltó
now,
uno.
no problem. You have 1 minute to compare your answers in groups, okay?
Profe, yo escribí, pero no estoy segura si las escribí bien.
Okay, no problem. So listen, in groups of 3 or 4, you're gonna have to compare your answers, okay? Please go to your groups and compare your answers. please go to your groups and compare your answers. Okay, I'm gonna see what they're doing in the group. Okay, now they're going back in 1 minute. They are going back in 1 minute. Okay, so tell me what other insects did you listen to in the audio?
Dragonfly, bee, lady,
Bee, grasshopper,
and
wasp,
wash,
butterfly.
hopper, y beetle.
Okay. Now I'm gonna show you a picture of some insects.
A mí solo me faltó ant.
Look, this is a picture of insects. So this is a dragonfly, these are the wasps, the grasshopper, the
Entonces así se
mosquito.
escribía.
Wasp. Lo escribí bien.
Oh, good.
Y ese fue el único
This is the beetle, the ladybug.
Yo puse wasp.
Bueno, ya no, porque ya lo había leído y Ladybug porque
It's
Ladybug
okay.
Yo puse WST.
It's okay, no problem, because it's good that you understand the audio, the name, the pronunciation. This is the butterfly and this is the fly. I have a question for you. Which of these? Yes.
A question. And
Sure.
¿por qué butter es mantequilla y fly es volar?
That is a good
No
question.
tiene.
That is a good question. Well, well, you know, in English, there are some words that have a different origin, and butterfly is one of them. They combined butter and fly together to call that the insect. But actually, it's not a butter that flies. That doesn't make sense. But it's just a name in English. It's similar to Spanish. You know, in Spanish, we have several words that...
Hay palabras que son como dos palabras unidas.
Yes.
Pues ya,
and
claro,
they don't
cuando si
make
lo piensas
sense.
bien.
Exactly. For example, paraguas. You know, paraguas. It doesn't stop the rain. It doesn't stop the water. actually.
Para aguas.
Yeah, for the water. You know, it's not for the water.
Es mágico
So-
para el agua.
Exactly. So yeah, it's like a combination of two words, but actually, its origin it's unknown.
Recién me di cuenta que risa, paraguas.
Yeah.
Para aguas, sí, ¿verdad?
So I have a question for you. Which of these animals live in the garden? You know the garden out on your houses, the garden. Which of these
My
animals?
house, yes.
Grasshopper.
Wasp, ant,
Fly,
fly, mosquito,
Mosquitoes. A lot of
Bee.
mosquitoes.
Ajá. Cuando
Dragonfly.
cuando está lloviendo.
Pero sí, casi todo.
Very good. If you go to a restaurant, what is a common insect in a restaurant?
Fly.
Fly, yeah. Do you like flies?
No.
No.
I don't like
No.
that.
Hate these things.
They are very bad. You know, they step on your foot, like ñemi, 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 ñemi.
Y las
Comen
ensucian.
mi hermosa comida que no comí.
Inés. Chapulines.
Profe, no sé por qué, pero no sé por qué siempre se frotan como si fueran las patas, se las frotan siempre, no sé por qué.
That is the way they communicate, you know, when they
Se
move
hacen
their
así,
legs.
se hacen así, se hacen así.
Yeah, it's the way they communicate.
No se está
Es un pelo malvado.
You know, insects communicate when they move their legs or their antennae.
yo pensé que conocían así, se estaban limpiando las manos.
Yeah, they
Yo
are.
pensé que era porque estaban en modo malvadas o porque querían comer algo.
No, they are not. They are not
Ahí.
going like "Wah, ha 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 ha" or going to "nyami nyami." No, they are communicating. Just like it's a way to express because we speak, but the insects move.
O sea, las flies son sordomudos. Que se comunican así.
Basically, yes. Basically. Okay. So let's continue with the other exercise.
Ahí están las partes del insecto.
Exactly. Okay, for the next exercise, we're gonna do this. We're gonna go out to the garden, but first pay attention. Think about your garden, you know, the garden in your house. Make a list of the insects that you expect to find. Think of the garden, okay? What insects are there in my garden? Is there an ant, a grasshopper? Let me see. I'm going back to the picture of the insects here. Okay, so think about the insects that you can find in your garden. For example, Alanis, what insects can you find in your garden? Think. My garden, what insects?
Pues, wasps, bees, mosquito, beetles.
Okay, so you have to make a list. Wasps, mosquito, bees, ants. Okay, make a list. Aleshka, what insects can you see in your garden? Tell me. And butterfly, bee, okay. Mosquito, okay.
And dragonfly.
Dragonfly, okay. Thank you, Aleshka. Now, in my garden, I can usually find ants, flies, butterflies, and bees. That's all I find in my garden. No mosquitoes. You know, mosquitoes don't live in Quito because they get cold. Okay, so make a list of the insects that you expect to find in your garden, okay? Make a list. What insects are there in my garden? Romina, do you understand the instructions?
No sé si estoy entendiendo, solo que estaba viendo entre el libro y la pantalla para ver cuál ponía. Es que básicamente no sé, voy a poner cualquiera porque solo hay hormigas en mi jardín, nada más.
Okay, no
problem. No hay nada.
Then you can write ants, no problem, ants. Matías, do you have your list ready?
No, profe, solo que estoy pensando porque hay un montón de insectos en mi garden.
Okay, no problem.
Profe, ¿ya no está la cucaracha?
Cockroach. Let me
La
show
cucaracha y
you.
el grillo.
Sí, ya no está
Oh,
aquí
they're
en
not
esta
here.
lista, solo estaba en el
No
jueguito,
problem.
aquí ya no está.
I can write it for you. I'm gonna write it on the chat, okay? This is the cockroach, and the other animal is called cricket. Cockroach and
¿Qué es
cricket.
cricket?
Okay.
De razón que hace
Grillo, es grillo.
Ah, ok, ya listo, tengo dos más.
Yeah, that is the name in English, cricket. Okay, you got the list?
Yes.
Ready? Okay. The next step is list all the insects you find on the ground. Okay, wait a minute. To do this, you have to go out. Pay attention. You have the list ready, the list of the insects. Now, everyone, please go out of the garden, go out, observe the garden, and list all the insects that you find on the ground, and then the insects that you find flying. Okay? So the insects that are walking and the insects that are flying. Okay? So go to the garden, make the list. And one more thing, you have to take out pictures. Please use your cell phones, take pictures of the insects, and then go back to the class. You will have 5 minutes, okay? Again, go to the garden.
Profe,
Go to the garden. Wait,
profe, si no hay
let me
ninguno
explain.
ahorita.
Yeah, it must be
Exacto.
one. It must be one, at least ants. Go and look for the grounds. There must be one insect. Yes, Alanis, what's your question?
Mi teléfono está descargado.
Vi como 3, pero los 3 se volaron, pero por lo menos los vi.
Okay. Aleshka, can you show me the pictures of the insects, please? I want to see the pictures. Wait.
Solo esa porque las otras salieron volando.
What is that? A cricket? Is it a cricket?
Yes.
Oh my God,
Oh.
qué feo.
Oh my gosh.
¿Mataste o algo? Porque está medio raro. No, lo encontré así.
Okay.
Estaba morido ya.
Okay, that's a cricket. That's the name of the insect in English. Cricket. Fabiana, can you show me an insect, please? One of the pictures that
Ya
you...
puedo borrar la foto porque me da miedo.
Ahí
Okay.
está
Wait a
muerta.
minute. What is that?
Una araña
Oh,
está muerta.
spider.
Y
Okay.
una cucaracha.
Spider.
¿Puedo ya borrar la
No puedo ir a
foto, please?
tomar fotos.
Okay.
No puedo ir a tomar
You know,
fotos.
do you know that the spider, did you know that the spider is not an insect? The spider is arachnid, but it's not an insect. Because insects have
Profe, que Isla se
6.
asustó.
Insects have 6 legs, no 8 legs. So the spider is not an insect. It's not considered an insect. But no problem, it's okay. Good picture. One more person.
Araña.
Okay, spider, that's the name in English. Okay, can I see one more person show me the pictures, please?
Kayla.
One more person. Kayla, okay. Let me see.
¿Qué es eso?
Please, Kayla, you have to speak. Say something.
I think it's a fly.
A fly, oh my gosh. It's cute.
I found an ant.
Oh, very tiny ant. Very good. Good, Kayla. Good
¿Por qué
pictures.
no le acercaste la camarita?
Okay. Camila Hilaire, do you want to show me the pictures that you got?
Yo no tengo fotos, pero tengo palabras.
Okay, tell me.
Mire, el primero que vi fue un ant y un bee y un fly.
Oh, so you see an ant, a cricket, and what else?
No, bird.
Bird.
Es
Okay,
que no
a
encontré
fly.
más bichos, entonces había un pajarito bonito ahí.
It's good. Good. Okay, one more volunteer to show me the pictures, please. Anyone else? Carlos and then Francesca, okay? Carlos?
Después yo, por favor. Yo también anoté porque...
Okay, tell me the insects.
Se me cargó el
Carlos.
celular. Yo también encontré un fly y también un bird. Aquí están anotados.
Okay, very good. Francesca.
Un bird es un bicho.
No.
Yes, Francesca.
And the first and mosquito
Okay,
and bee.
very nice. One more person, please. I think we're finished. Violeta, yes.
Sí,
Pero, chicas, estoy haciendo algo.
pues la primera que encontré es un butterfly.
Butterfly, okay. What
Sí,
color
qué
was
bonito.
your butterfly?
Era como, ¿cómo se? Una yellow.
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 Okay.
Era yellow. El siguiente fue un mosquito. El
Okay.
siguiente fue un mosquito. Y el último que encontré 3 y de los mismos se volaron porque me tuvieron miedo, fueron Ladybug.
Okay, okay, very nice.
Volaron, me
Camila.
tuvieron miedo, yo no hago nada. Ay, profe,
Okay.
me acerqué mucho.
Thank you for your sharing. Camila Arroyo, please.
I didn't see my phone.
Okay.
A cricket, a moth, and a mosquito.
Okay, very nice. Thank you. Alanis, yes?
And I found a fly, an ant, and a beetle.
Okay, very
Solo
good.
eso, no pude encontrar más.
Okay, nice.
Ahorita están dormidos, ok.
Okay, Martina, yes.
I only see a bird.
Okay. Very good. You see a pet. No insects. No insects. Okay, very good.
Que no, ella vive en el extranjero, por eso no hay bichos allá. Los
Okay.
bichos se fueron
I
a
don't
Miami.
watch a mosquito.
Okay, let's continue with the other exercise. There are some questions here that I want you to think of. How many types of insects are there in the world? A few or a lot of insects?
A lot. A lot.
A lot of insects. Very good. Where do they live? Do they live only in Ecuador or everywhere?
No, in all the world.
Everywhere.
Aunque hay lugares
Yes.
donde no hay muchos, pero bueno.
Where? Do you think insects live in Antarctica?
No.
Maybe no, because of the cold.
Maybe no.
You know, in Quito, you cannot see
No hay
mosquitoes. There are no mosquitoes. They
Lléveme
cannot
ahí,
fly because
¿Por
it's
qué?
cold.
Profe, yo sí comida para
Que no tienen
mosquitos
las
recién
piernas
calentadas.
charrosas como yo.
Okay.
Yo soy una comida que se la comen todos los días y la calientan todos los días y no sé. Soy
Okay.
un calentado.
Tell me the next question. Why are insects important? Why are they important?
Bees.
Why?
Sí.
Why?
Because is
Traen
it
el
for...
polen de la
Porque polinizan.
You know, they carry...
Hay bichos que
Sí.
son importantes porque son alimentos de otros animales que nosotros comemos. O cosas.
Yeah. So they are food for other animals and they also pollinize the flowers. Pollinize the flowers. Okay?
Polinizan las
What can bees do?
Las flowers.
Polinizar las flores. Y
Yeah,
de
they
hacer miel.
pollinize. They pollinize the flowers. Very
Y hacer
good.
miel.
Okay. Let's do you know who is Alexandra Verduga?
Tiene que
No.
ser una profe.
Sandra Verruga.
No.
Camila.
I don't know who Alexandra Verduga is. We have to find out.
Entendí verdura.
Alexandra.
No sé, puede ser una niña que está entrando desde el teléfono.
Profe, Alexandra Verduga es Alejandra, nada más que se conectó desde el dispositivo de la abuela.
Really?
No, Camila tenía razón. Camila admin. No, pero Camila no es adivina.
Okay.
Hola, admin.
All right, let's do the following exercise, which is a dictation. But before that, I'm going to make you practice the vocabulary of insects, okay? What you have to do is look at the pictures and write the names of the insects. This is exercise 1, okay? Let me show you. There. So please, I'm gonna ask some volunteers to write the name of the insect, okay? So for example, can I have Martina? Can you write the name of the first animal, please? And Francesca, write the name of the second animal. Camila Arroyo, number 3. And Dodi Bravo, number 4.
Ya
And
puedo
Carlos,
decir.
number 5, please. Carlos, number 5. So please write the names on my screen, please. Write the names on my screen. Use my screen and complete it.
Ya puedo decir.
Yeah, you have to write it. Write it on the screen, okay?
Tío, eso no son 5 animales. Bichos, pero.
Profe, lo escribimos, ¿no es cierto?
Yes, you have to write it. There is one more insect, but it's down there. So for now, complete there, okay?
Tío, solo son
Okay.
los 5 bichos que están ahí.
Number 4 is butterfly. Very good. Butterfly. Number 1 is a dragon or a dragonfly. What is it? Number 3 is beetle. Yes, number 3 is beetle. Very good. Number 2 is grasshopper. Yes. Remember, double S
Profe,
and
se me nota
double
muy
E.
pequeña la letra, pero no sé si se ve.
So, yeah, I can see it. So remember, number 2, grasshopper, double S and double P, grasshopper. And number 5 is ladybug. Very good. So we have dragonfly, grasshopper, beetle, butterfly, and ladybug. Thank you. Thank you for your participation. Let's do one more.
Faltó la última, profesora, mosquito.
This one. Which one? Which mosquito? Which animal is that? It's a mosquito. Very good.
Mosquito.
Okay. Let's do one more exercise.